Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
For this operation, get hold of the air filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now be able to easily see the airbox to change the filter. Using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the 4 holding screws on the airbox flange. Lift the front of the flange. This will free the 4 holding pins. Then take it out. Take out the air filter. Take the new filter and compare it with the old one to ensure that they're identical. Before putting the new one, it is important to clean off the remaining impurities from inside the filter compartment. Put the filter back in place. Ensure that the rubber washer is correctly placed in position. Put the flange back onto the holding pins. Then screw it back in. Using a Phillips screwdriver, rescrew all the holding screws. Operation completed.
Hello! If this video helped you, like and subscribe.